Hi, this is Monica Fulmer. My concentration is community and behavioral health. My Capstone project involves collecting data in order to create a database of baseline data. We're working with, I started this project as part of my practicum last year, and we were originally going to collect data in a community in El Salvador called Nejapa. It's a rural community, and they've been doing surveys and collecting data in order to get resources for healthcare. And when we worked last semester on a better survey, we realized that there really was not enough baseline data to even conduct a survey. So what our project is for the Capstone is to collect enough data to start a baseline database, and hopefully that baseline database can be expanded to a national level, not just in Nejapa. A lot of the little communities in El Salvador have their own database and their own data collection methods, but none of it is transferable to other communities. So what we're trying to do is set up a standard. We're working with Dr. Peter Anthematin in the GIS department with the University of Colorado. He's going to be in charge of creating the database and taking the GIS points that we map in the residential areas. And we're working with a part of the United Nations called UNITAR. It's the, I'm not supposed to use acronyms, it's the training and research arm of the United Nations, and within that organization they have a group called CFAL, which is the Center for Information and Formation of Local Actors. So this is a and so what we're actually doing is we're getting all the information together that we need to do baseline data mapping, and we're preparing a proposal for CFAL of the United Nations, so that the local office of CFAL, there's only, I think, 4 in Latin America, and one of them is located in El Salvador. And so what we're going to be doing with our team is getting together the requirements to do the baseline mapping with its survey and GIS. So there's a few things that we're going to be putting together to get this proposal done. We're going to we're going to do the proposal in the name of CFAL so that they can then put it out there for funding requests. So we're putting together the technology requirements, the personnel requirements, and the survey design and the proposed use. And that's what our project is for. That's what my project is for my Capstone. And it's a really fun project. I'm really excited about it. I've worked with people who I'm working with right now for several years in El Salvador. And let's see, what's the next question? What we expect to, I guess the part that's going to be interesting as far as what we expect to find, this is kind of it's the accumulation of a lot of other work that we've done, and we've had to work through a lot of issues with people from one agency not wanting to work with people of another agency, and hopefully we've worked through all those issues over the past few years and we can get this together without any further ado. So that's my project, and in case of a zombie apocalypse, probably my special skill that will help me increase my chance for survival is I'm relatively resourceful. I can figure out how to make things work. That's why I like working in international public health. Thank you.